to train your AI chatbot using different types of knowledge sources. We'll cover web links, PDFs, images, and text. Once you understand one method, the rest work almost the same. The only difference is where the information comes from. So let's get started. We'll begin with web links. Click on the web link tab. Now enter the URL of the page you want your AI to learn from. Remember, the AI only learns from the page you provide. It does not automatically scan your entire website. For example, you can train it using your homepage like Kiteum.com or a specific page such as Kiteum.com/about. Once you've entered the URL, click Add Source. The AI will visit that page, collect the available information, and prepare it for training. When the source appears in the Sources section, click Edit. This is a very important step. During training, the AI automatically analyzes the content it collected. It separates information that changes frequently from information that usually stays the same. For example, business hours, pricing, phone numbers, email addresses, special offers, and other information that may change over time. These are automatically moved into the Saved Facts section whenever possible. The remaining content becomes a cleaner and more stable knowledge source. This helps your chatbot provide more accurate responses while keeping your knowledge base easier to manage. Before training your AI, always review the extracted content carefully. Remove duplicate information, remove outdated information, and remove anything your chatbot doesn't need to know. A cleaner knowledge base always produces better responses. Once everything looks good, click Confirm. Then click Confirm once again to start training. That's it. Your chatbot has now learned from that web page. Now let's look at the Saved Facts section. Saved Facts contain information that changes frequently. For example, business hours, pricing, phone numbers, discounts, or any other information you may update regularly. The advantage of saved facts is that you can edit them at any time without uploading or training the entire source again. One important tip: don't add too many saved facts. Every time your chatbot answers a question, it also reads these facts. The more facts you keep, the more tokens are used in every conversation. This can increase your operating costs and reduce the total number of conversations your plan supports. Only keep information that's actually important. If you find duplicate or unnecessary facts, simply remove them. Now here's another important tip. If you need to update your knowledge base later, don't delete the entire source for a small change. Instead, click View Chunks. This displays the knowledge in separate sections called chunks. Simply find the chunk you want to update or remove and delete only that chunk. This keeps the rest of your knowledge intact and helps reduce unnecessary learning token usage, saving both time and cost. Now let's look at PDF training. Click on the PDF tab, upload your PDF. The AI will read the document, extract the information, separate the saved facts, and prepare everything for training. For the best experience, each PDF should be under 10 megabytes and contain no more than 5 pages. If your PDF is very large, consider splitting it into multiple smaller PDFs. This makes your knowledge base much easier to maintain later. Next, let's look at image training. Upload an image that contains useful information. The AI will analyze the image, extract the text and important details, separate the saved facts, and prepare it for training. Images should also be under 10 megabytes. Finally, we have text training. This is the easiest and most flexible way to train your chatbot. Simply choose the text option, type or paste your information, give the source a meaningful label, review the content, edit it if necessary, then click Confirm. The process is exactly the same, and that's all for this tutorial. In the next video, we'll explore business links. Business links allow you to add links to your business profiles such as your Facebook page, Instagram profile, YouTube channel, or other supported business links so your AI can understand what to share We'll also explore gallery mode. Gallery mode allows you to upload product images together with their product URLs, making it easier for your AI to recommend the correct products and direct customers to the right page. We'll cover both of these features step by step in the next tutorial. One final reminder, every time you train your chatbot, it uses learning tokens. So before clicking confirm, always make sure your data is clean, well organized, and only contains the information your AI really needs. If you ever have any questions or run into any issues, simply click the chat icon in the bottom right corner of your dashboard to contact the Kiteum support team. Thanks for watching. I'll see you in the next